Hi everyone, welcome to Epic Research Labs Private Limited. So we come with another project. The device you see here is phytoremediation bed. These birds are most commonly used by pharma institutions and industries. The kit you see here we made for one of the institution. These birds are generally helpful to teach environment biotechnology, pollutant uptake, plant microbe interact, and water treatment technologies. So the system is completely automatic and control irrigation system. So the photo remediation birds are generally can be automated system or manual irrigation system. So coming for the manual irrigation system, which causes water wastage and uneven moisture distribution, and also continuous monitoring of multiple birds will be very difficult, and sometimes it reduces remediation efficiency because of over irrigation and no historical data saved for further analysis. Taking these all points into observation, we have made this smart phytoremediation bed. The objective of this bird is to monitor 5 chambers and make the controlled irrigation. So, coming for the operation of the system, so here the system consists of a 5 chambers: chamber one, chamber two, chamber three, chamber four, and chamber five. Each chamber consists of 3 cabins, and each chamber consists of one soil moisture sensor. So we are using a 5 soil moisture sensors. The entire system is monitored and controlled by STM32 controller. And for user interface, we have given 20 cross 4 LCD display and also a keypad, 4 by 4 keypad. And the complete data will be stored in an Excel sheet with the date and time reference in a small SD card. We are using an SD card reader for it. Directly go for owning the system. So the system is completely watering the system by a gravity. We are using a tank, keeping a head so that the system completely waters the plants only through the gravity. So I am switching on the supply. So I have switched on the supply. So it is asking for the date. So I am entering a date. So today is 21 and month is first and the year is 2026. So it is asking for the date. So to save the file to that date, I'm pressing hash to save. It is asking for the time. So the time is 1 and the minutes are it is 31 and the seconds is, so what I'll put as 30, and it is asking for the hash. It is asking for the set interval. The set interval are used by the device to store the values of soil moistures at that intervals. I mean to say, if I set as 10 seconds, every 10 seconds the data will be stored in an Excel sheet. So I'm putting it time as 10 seconds and keeping as to save. So it is asking for me to save the threshold values. The threshold values are generally chosen according to the soil moisture content we need. If I want the complete system uh, to be maintained at 40% soil moisture, I'll put the threshold as 40. If it goes below 40, it immediately on the wall, hence watering that chamber. So I'm putting all the values as 40. So I'm skipping all everything to B so that all is set to 40. So everything set to 50, 40%. You can see here the S1, S2, S3 and S4, S5, all the soil moisture content values are 100% and no walls are turned on. So I generally open any one of the sensor. Here I am opening the soil moisture sensor 1. When I open the soil moisture 1, it is watering the chamber because the soil water content in that is 0. The device thinking it is 0 and it is watering the chamber. When I insert it again, the water content is 100%, which is above 40%. It is watering. Similarly happens for all chambers. So I open for chamber 2, I open for chamber 3, I open for chamber 4, I open for chamber 5, I open for chamber 5. So the complete system will be automatically operated and the values of it will be stored in an Excel sheet in the memory card. So here we are using a memory card holder with a memory card inserted. The files are stored in that. So if we keep it in a pen drive, in a card reader, and can connect to the system, we can see the data in an Excel sheet. So now we're gonna test the values in a Excel sheet. So I'm switching on the supply, switching off the supply. So I'm taking out the memory card, and let's check in the laptop. Okay. Now I have kept my memory card in the card reader. I am keeping it to my laptop. You can see. So here the date we have mentioned as 21, and the time we have mentioned is 31:10. So you can see the files. You can see the files. I'm extending it.
Yes, sir.
So you can see the date and time, and also on off status. See, it is off 100 off, 00 on, 100 off, and also the duration, and also the off status, on status, completely duration. With duration we are getting in an Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. For any kind of technical support, any kind of R&D for the pharma devices or for the pharma institutions, please contact us through our mail, which is mentioned below this description of the video. Thank you.